Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1110th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Welcome, welcome. 1110 of these videos. This video is being filmed on Tuesday morning, very, very early Tuesday morning, for trading on Tuesday, December 3rd, 2013. Traders, we know futures trading can be extremely risky and cause substantial financial loss, and futures trading is certainly not suitable for all trading accounts. For you cowboys who like to trade this thing, let's rock and roll. Here we are. E-mini S&P for trading on Tuesday. The F flag is being tested. See, it's coming down through the line right here. But if you'll take note, that very same thing has happened before, but it didn't produce a big down move. So, we got to be cautious. The Omni is absolutely red for trading on Tuesday. In fact, we are already short as OMNIX. We have a red Omni, undoubtedly, for trading Tuesday. The Omni trades, some of them have already been entered into, and we are short in the E-mini and the NASDAQ, and or, depending upon your trading. So, red Omni for Tuesday. Here's some of the reason why. F flag is being tested. Of course, we have a red Omni to begin with. Then we look at the charts and see what they look like. The charts are absolutely starting to show just a little pullback wants to come. Maybe it'll be more, maybe it won't. But Tuesday was starting off as sellers of rallies looking for some downside. Look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Looks to me like there's some kind of a small pullback coming, right? Why can't you come back to the line down here, maybe, test it, make sure it's strong? If we want to throw around some trend lines, it doesn't really look like it's got all that far it can go before it runs into support. So it's either supported here or down here. Hopefully the buyers will come in and see something and keep them interested. This is the month of December. You get the Santa Claus rally. You got all sorts of fundamental reasons why it should go up. Technically, we just made a high 2 days ago. Why wouldn't it continue to go up in a few days? But maybe a couple of day pullback coming. We're starting off Tuesday, as I said, from the seller of rally position in the ES and the NASDAQ. We'll see what happens. Then there's this crazy chart. We'll go with December for one more day to look at the chart, even though we have rolled over to February gold, and we all know that, but this is a December chart. But the chart's pretty, and let's use it for one more day. All right, traders, the gold had hit the top of this channel. If you recall, I showed it to you in a video. I put it out on Facebook, and I basically said, too bad the holiday's coming because this is the perfect spot to short this thing right here. And boy, oh boy, that's been about it. It's come off really well. We expect gold to go even lower. So, maybe a couple of rallies throughout the day, but you sell the rallies, expect gold to come down here, probably into the 1190s, high 1180s, see if it gets supported. I don't think it will, and it should crack even further. And, we had this bear flag, the red one, this blue bear flag. Let's move this out of the way. We'll move some stuff so you can see it a little better. There's another one right here, traders. They're not letting up on this gold. I mean, if you're a believer in these flags, let's get everything out of the way for a moment. If you're a believer in these flags, here's another one right here. It is just relentless flag after flag after flag is just building on this chart. And it looks like it's basically already broken. So gold, another bear flag, another reason to go lower. There it is, and it is beginning to move lower already. So, and, of course, respecting the channel, all sorts of reasons why you don't want to be long gold at this very moment. As we know, this is commodities trading, so things can change right away, but that is not a bullish picture at this moment in time. So there's your gold. And, traders, we got another chart I think you will find quite interesting. Let's go to it right now. A lot of you have written back to me and said, Oscar, what about Tesla? Well, here it is. Another bear flag. My goodness, they're going to kill this thing. It is just bear flag after bear flag. It has been red Omni after red Omni on top of the bear flags. You've broke major averages. This market, or I should say this company, is in trouble. So Elon, the target remains, I am sorry, for Tesla at 60. Minimum target down here is 108, but I think we'll go lower than that. But you got to start it in steps. Now, traders, if you recall, we were all the way up here, and Omni gave us a call for 153, and it cracked bingo to 153, and it rallied, and I kid you not, go back and watch the videos right on this day. Came out with another video and offered a short in the Tesla. And we basically said, listen, here's another day where you should be short Tesla. This is the spot where it should start to head back down. And it did. And the call was for 120 to 118. And bingo, you hit 120 to 118 exactly and bounced off of it. Then we made the call for 60. Since we made that call, we have built this bear flag that you're seeing in red. Here's the flagpole. Here's the flag. It hit the top of it 2 days ago. It started to move down yesterday. I would be slightly worried about Tesla going forward for the next couple of days, in my opinion. Then, traders, don't forget the ES testing the F flag support being tested. It doesn't mean it will break, but for now, we have a red Omni and we'll be going short for trading on Tuesday at the onset of trading. Thank you so much for joining me in these videos and watching these classes. Again, come on down to livewithoscar.com. Come into my free chat room and allow me to help you understand these charts the same way I view them. Traders, always remember, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do to help yourselves with that is say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, thank you, and I'll see you at livewithoscar.com.